This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. First, grab your iPhone and open the Apple Watch app. Navigate to the Wallet and Apple Pay section. Here, you'll tap Add Card and follow the simple on-screen prompts to input your debit or credit card details. Your bank might send a quick verification code to ensure it's really you, so keep an eye on your messages. It's a straightforward process that takes just a couple of minutes. Once your card is set up, making a purchase is incredibly easy. When you're ready to pay, simply double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. Your default card will pop up, but you can easily swipe to choose another if you have multiple. Then, just hold your watch display close to the contactless payment reader, usually within 2 to 3 centimeters. You'll feel a subtle tap and hear a beep, confirming your payment has gone through successfully. Apple Pay prioritizes your security and privacy. When you use it, a unique, device-specific number and a transaction-specific code are used, meaning your actual card numbers are never stored on your watch or on Apple servers. This also means merchants never see your real card details during a transaction, protecting your financial information. Plus, your Apple Watch requires a passcode to use Apple Pay, adding an extra layer of protection against unauthorized use. Here are a few tips for a smooth Apple Pay experience. Always make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and securely on your wrist. It won't work otherwise. Confirm that the merchant's terminal displays the contactless payment symbol. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your watch and iPhone can often resolve minor glitches. For persistent problems, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank or Apple support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.